Today we're taking down lie number 3, and for Christian entrepreneurs, this one might be the most destructive of all. It's the lie that says big vision is pride, playing small is humility. No, absolutely not. Scripture never teaches that shrinking your potential honors God. In fact, the Bible teaches the opposite. God is glorified when His people multiply, expand, and take territory. So today we're going to expose this lie and rebuild your leadership around kingdom truth. Genesis 1 verse 28. The first words God ever speaks to humanity. Be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth, subdue it and have dominion. Not stay small, not keep it modest, not don't get too ambitious. Fruitfulness, multiplication, territory, dominion. This is the kingdom mandate, and it didn't evaporate after the fall or after the cross. God's design for His people has always been to grow, not shrink. If God hated expansion, He wouldn't command it. If He hated multiplication, He wouldn't bless it. If He thought influence was prideful, He wouldn't assign it. John 14 verse 12, Jesus says, whoever believes in me will do the works I do, and even greater works. Greater, not smaller, not appropriate, not safe. Jesus commands increase, not smallness. Matthew 5 verse 24, you are the light of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden. Not should not be hidden, cannot be hidden. If you're trying to stay invisible, you are working against the design of the kingdom. Your visibility is not pride. Your impact is not pride. Your influence is not pride. Your gift shining is not pride. Pride is thinking the vision is about you. Humility is saying, Lord, expand whatever you want to expand through me. Matthew 25 verse 14 to 30, Jesus teaches the parable of the talents. A master gives 3 servants resources to manage. 2 of them multiply. 1 buries it in the ground. But who does God rebuke? The one who played it small. Verse 26, He said, you wicked and lazy servant. Why? Because he hid what God entrusted him with. God calls multiplying good. God calls burying evil. He calls expansion faithful. He calls shrinking unfaithful. This parable isn't about financial investing. It's about stewardship and mindset. It's about how you treat what God places in your hands. If God wanted small thinking, He would reward it. Instead, He rebukes it. Many Christian entrepreneurs say things like, I don't need to grow big. I don't want to look prideful. I just want to stay humble. But biblically, humility isn't shrinking. Humility is surrender. Humility is obedience. Humility is saying, God, whatever you want to do through me, I won't resist it. Playing small is usually driven by fear of man, fear of stewardship, fear of responsibility, fear of being judged, fear of failing publicly. Fear dressed up as wisdom is still fear. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Your vision getting bigger isn't a threat to humility. Disobedience is. Isaiah 9 verse 7, of the increase of His government and peace there shall be no end. The kingdom is always increasing, never shrinking. Daniel 2 verse 35, the kingdom becomes a great mountain and fills the whole earth. Territory, expansion, influence. Habakkuk 2 verse 14, the earth will be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord. Filled, not partially touched. If you're aligned with the kingdom, expansion is part of your DNA. You don't need to force it, you need to stop resisting it. Luke 12 verse 48 says, to whom much is given, much will be required. This is not a warning, it's an invitation. If God's giving you more, it's because He trusts you with more. Big vision isn't pride. Big vision is responsibility. Big vision is stewardship. Philippians 2 verse 13 says, it is God who works in you to will and to act according to His good purpose. So if the vision in you is growing, guess who put it there? You didn't inflate it. God expanded it. Your job isn't to shrink it. Your job is to steward it. So here's the kingdom truth. God isn't threatened by your growth. He designed it. He commanded it. He expects it. Smallness is not humility. Smallness is hiding. Big vision is not pride. Big vision is obedience. The kingdom advances through sons and daughters who stop apologizing for the assignments God put on their lives. If you're ready to break small thinking, if you're ready to expand, if you're ready to build boldly and relentlessly with God, then get the cheat sheet. Comment the word freedom and I'll send it to you. And if these 3 videos have helped you think bigger and build bolder, stay close because we're only getting started. There's a lot more kingdom strategy coming.